the Nabotas Logistics and Transport Workers Union. I am your president, Denishan Asi. Today, I stand before you at Nabotas Port Solution Inc. to discuss the very foundation of our dignity, our wages. You see our new logo on the screen. The gold represents the wealth we created for this company, and the interlocked hands signify that none of us stands alone. We established this union in 2026 because we recognize that the cost of living in our city is rising, but our paycheck are still standing. And the issue of minimum wage. Currently, many of our members are struggling to meet the basic needs in their families, and minimum wage should not mean minimum life. When inflation goes up and the price of our rice goes up, but our salary remains at the floor, that is a crisis. Backbone of this board. Without us, the cranes don't move and the ships stay full. We aren't asking for a gift. We are demanding a floor that allows us to live with health and security. This is why we are feeling. I am calling of every member to stay informed and stay united. Sign this petition of the union office this week. Our strength is our numbers. So our vision is to be leading force in ensuring every transport workers in Nabotas receive a dignified wage that reflects their essential contribute to economic. And our mission is we commit to tireless collective bargaining and legal advocacy to fair compensation, safe working condition, and economic security for all our members. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much.